Okay, we are going to work on this problem that requires us to interpret a point on a graph. So whenever we have a graph, we always want to look first at the title so we know what the graph is talking about. So we're talking about dollars earned at work. And we also want to talk about what the x-axis or the number of hours are on the x-axis. So I'm going to highlight that in red. And what the y-axis is represented by, which is the number of dollars. I'm going to highlight that in blue. So now we're going to read the question now that we know what the graph is referring to. Which statement best describes the meaning of the point 3, 80? Okay, so when I have a coordinate point, the first number is always the x value. The second number is always the y value. So when we are talking about the point 3, 80, we first need to find 3 on the x-axis. So we're talking about 3 hours. And I'm going to go straight up to the line until I hit the line, and it should go right over to 80. Okay, so we need to know what those numbers are telling us. That means in 3 hours, there are $80 earned at work. So we need to be very careful when we match up our multiple choice options. We are looking for an option that says something about 3 hours makes $80. So option A says there are 3 hours for every dollar earned. That would mean that I only make $1 for every 3 hours, and the graph shows that we make $80 for every 3 hours. So option A is definitely not correct. Option B says there are $80 for every hour worked. That means that for every 1 hour, I would have earned $80. But we know from the graph that it took us 3 hours to earn $80. That one is also incorrect. Option C, there are 3 hours for every $80 earned. That one seems correct because we have 3 hours straight up to our line equals $80 earned. So I like that one, but let's check option D just to make sure. Option D says there are 80 hours for every $3 earned. Well, I look at my graph and I definitely don't have 80 hours on my graph. I only go up to 5 hours, right? Those numbers have been switched, and so that one is definitely not correct. Option C is our correct answer.